Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another adventure. Today going out go do coral spawning monitoring at Laughing Bird Caye with the Fragments of Hope. Going out for a couple nights, about 5 nights, and during the night time we do the spawning, check if the corals are spawning, and we do different work during the day, but I'll try video what all I can to show you guys what's going on. Right now we're on the boat heading out, just leave the marina, making our way out to the island. So stay tuned and see what's gonna happen, and please like the video guys and subscribe. I introduce the crew throughout the trip, so stay tuned. Alright, we made it guys. Laughing Bird Caye. About to drop the anchor and get a little briefing on what we're going to do. We'll be here for 5 nights doing the coral spawning, monitoring, and some other field work. But the goal is to check out the coral spawning. That's the main goal. Beautiful guys, very beautiful. And the anchors away. Hi guys, we're getting ready to get in the water now. Got about 20 minutes before we get in. I just check in for make all know, so the clip not just jump straight into underwater. So we are got about 20 more minutes wait, and we are get in the water and start to monitor the corals for the coral spawning. So stay tuned again guys. we made it back. We never see no coral spawning tonight, but we see some creatures, some wildlife come out. So hopefully tomorrow night we get to see some of the spawning. And I tired, so I go and eat something and go sleep. So see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning everyone, welcome back again. Right now we're about to have a little breakfast and then the guys might not go do some photo mosaics, and we others just be on the boat and get other stuff ready and prepared for the night mission again. I'm not sure what that for breakfast, and I'm not sure if I'm showing you guys, but stay tuned. I just to let you know how the night gone, and we made it through the morning and we're still here. Hopefully tonight we could see some coral spawning. Alright guys, evening time now. Just come back from setting out the glow sticks and we're waiting for night to come so we could go out and do the monitoring of the corals again. So see you at night time. Too much wind guys and rain, so we're abort mission for tonight. Weather is too bad, we gotta go find safe grounds to anchor. See you in the morning. Good morning everybody. We're still here in the harbor where we had to come shelter last night because of the winds. The winds got up to like 25 miles an hour last night. Really windy, so we come take harbor in Caye range. Right now we're making breakfast. After breakfast we're heading back out to Laughing Bird Caye to continue our surveys.
Like and subscribe people, link the link.
And like Captain says, like and subscribe guys.
Link the link.
See what's happening in the cabin. Chef Amir in the house. Fruits ready. Fried cake. Fried beans. Now they laugh up you. The guys to hang out the back. They wait for breakfast.
Like and subscribe.
Like Vic said again, like and subscribe.
Link the link.
Link the link. Alright guys, stay tuned and see you at Laughing Bird Caye when we get there. What up? Getting ready to roll out now. The wind pick up again. Not as hard as last night though. Why? Who press you?
None of me. Getting ready. Alright, first one right there.
Alright guys, we'll put out the glow sticks for the coral spawning survey tonight. Alright guys, the glow sticks are in and we're going to do coral bleaching survey now and inspect some outplanted elk horns we did a little while back. Stay tuned for another one of footage. Alright guys, subscribe. finished with the coral bleaching survey. Now we gotta swim back to the catamaran. Get ready for the spawning monitoring. Get ready for the spawning monitoring later on tonight. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go and do the coral spawning survey. I should hope so. Spot for me. Yeah. Alright guys, we made it back, and sadly no spawning tonight. So we have to try again tomorrow night, guys.
Get him on the rope. We can pull the front in for you. Once you get down close, you gotta make your move.
So we are rinse off and call it a night, people. See you in the morning. Just come back from doing another coral bleaching survey, guys. I forget to take the camera. What a bummer. Beautiful corals, a lot of wildlife. What do you see out there, Raj?
A lot of Nassau groupers, a lot of lobster, a lot of beautiful corals, a lot of parrotfish. Beautiful out there, man. Beautiful. Nurse sharks, man. It's beautiful.
I also saw 2 squids, man. So stay tuned, guys, and see what else will happen today. If
Like and subscribe. Link the link.
All right. If nothing exciting happen, then next time I tune in will be when we're going for coral spawning again tonight. So later, guys. Alright guys, the sun is going down, the glow sticks are out to mark the areas we're going to do coral spawning, monitoring. So as the night come in, we're going out. Let's go, Amir. Time for go.
Do this. See some spawning, man.
Alright.
Like and subscribe.
What?
Like and subscribe. Link the link. Don't be a stick.
Loading up, guys. Getting ready. Yes, Raj, those are mine.
Click the link. Like and subscribe, people.
Do this, guys. Heading out. Funny. No luck tonight, guys. But we see some wonderful sea creatures. And the wind shifts, so we have to go back into the harbor. So, see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. We're about to leave the harbor now and go back to Laughing Bird Caye. We'll finish the way it works. This key. Say hi, Captain. Vic, they deal with the anchor. See you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we're going to do nursery maintenance this morning. Clean up the ropes. We have corals growing on the tables, so when we get there I'll show you what's up with the corals. Got the dive gear in the boat ready. Fin and mask, got with brushes ready. So stay tuned, I'll show you the tables. Again, everyone, right now we have a team out there doing fish survey, and our next team just finished doing photo mosaics, and the sun is going down, so we are waiting till night for do the final night of coral spawning survey. But tonight I know a video nothing much unless I see something I haven't captured already. So after this, you won't see me again until tomorrow morning. Right, Amir?
Yeah.
See you guys then. Final night tonight, guys. Let's hope we see some spawning. If we see spawning, then I'll record it. If not, I'll just don't record anything. See you in the morning. Morning again, everybody. Well, last night my team didn't see any spawning, but however the other two teams saw partial spawning. The elkhorn corals and the staghorn corals were partially spawning, and the sea rods were spawning and some worms, but I didn't capture any of it. However, I want to thank Fragments of Hope for letting me come on this trip. I want to thank all the team members on the boat and the captain. Big up on yourself, people. Also, we should have an expanding trip end of the month, so stay tuned for the next video. Should be much better than this one. And if you made it this far to the end of the video, I just want to say thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, people, and like the video. Help me get up my numbers in subscribers. And until next time, peace out and thanks again. We're here in Placencia Lagoon already. From here we clean the boat, get fuel and go home. Peace out.